This is Andrew Wicklund with Project Risk Consultants. I'm going to do a real quick module just on how to add and remove columns in the Gantt chart view in Primavera Risk. So this, as I said, is going to be a real quick one. Two ways to get to the column view. First, if you go to the Format menu bar item and click Columns, that will open the pop-up. Or if you click on any column header, double click, it'll bring up this pop-up. Real simple. You've got two tabs in the top left, the group fields and the alphabetic fields. Then on the right hand side you've got the left columns, which are to the left of the Gantt chart, the right columns, which will be to the right hand side. So if I click, and I'll expand this cost, budget at completion, I can click where I want it to be added. So you'll notice each one of these is a line on the right hand side. So if I want it to go in the second position or third position, I select the second, it'll go down below it. I can click that back to the left. If I select the empty one at the bottom and then say budgeted cost of work scheduled, I can click that to the right. If you click on an item and click the left arrow, that'll remove that. Now, to save the changes you have to hit OK. If you click cancel, it will not save any of the changes. So if you added 20 columns, click cancel, none of the changes will be saved and you'll have to redo everything. Now beyond just adding the columns, you can go through, and when I click on a column, it says, well, top heading, this one's going to say remaining duration, as you can see to the left hand side of my box here up at the top. So if I said, you know what, I really want it to say remain duration, I could change that. Or if I wanted to shorten it even more, I could take that off, REMDUR. I can hide the zeros. I can wrap the text as well, so things like the description column, if they may be quite long, I can wrap the text. A lot of this are options like you might get in the format cell options in Microsoft Excel. Do not print this column, so you might have a note column that you don't want to print out. You could do that as well. You can left, right, justify. So say for example the description field right now is left justify. I can center justify that. I can increase the column width. I can also, on number columns, I can set the formatting. This is hour, day, week. I can go into these cost ones. We can adjust on various, say for example, resource amounts. We can edit the amount of resources, the format, date only, date and time. A lot of things we can do for this, but for the most part, real quick, real simple, real easy. You take move fields left and right. When I click OK, and you'll notice the description, these things are centered now. There's nothing else to it. Getting those columns up is real simple. Any column you have up here, you can get to that column down here as well in your navigation pane.